Will AI take over your job? Will it even take over your voice? Here's the reality: no machine can replace the human connection of a great speech. In this video, I'm going to discuss why public speaking matters in the age of AI. I love being asked that question, and it is such a frequently asked question. But here's what I want you to think about: the reality. Public speaking is the bridge, the connection between you and your listener. It's how you can inspire, influence, and drive change. One speech can spark ideas, ignite movements, and change lives. Public speaking is the path to leadership. Those who articulate their ideas clearly rise to the top. According to a 2024 study by World Metrics, 59% of hiring managers regard public speaking skills as important for job candidates. I want you to think about that word public speaking. Public speaking is not just speaking to an audience of 1,000. It is, in fact, the interview. It's the one-on-one meetings. It's meeting with your team. It's meeting with a small group. And of course, yes, it could be presenting at a conference. Another study in 2025 stated that speaking skills impact job success greatly. Around 60% of workers say that speaking fear, that fear that cripples the ability to speak up in meetings, will hurt one's career. 60%. This fear blocks promotions and opportunities for leadership. So, what can you do? Let's look at Steve Jobs. What made him a global icon? His keynote presentations and product launches captivated audiences worldwide. He combined storytelling, simplicity, and showmanship to inspire innovation. And what about Tony Robbins? As a motivational public speaker, his energy, his storytelling, and his ability to engage made him a global figure. Now, of course, you don't have to have dreams of becoming a global figure, but what I do want you to think about is the impact that your words will have. If you can speak, you can influence. If you can influence, you can change lives. So, are you ready to step into your voice and become a speaker who inspires, influences, and drives change? If so, hit subscribe, share your goals, share your questions. Certainly feel free to connect with us call. Let's together unlock your speaking potential with a personalized, high quality training program that will help you succeed. Thank you for watching.